Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. I hope all of you gone through the topics we discussed in our previous class. In our previous class, we studied about herbs, shrubs and trees. Today, we are going to discuss about seeds. Today, we are going to discuss about seeds. Can you see this? What is this? Yes, a mango tree with many flowers. A few days later, this mango flowers changes to mango fruits. This mango flower changes to mango fruit. Mango fruit have seed inside them. These seeds grown into new plant. The seeds grown into new plant. Look at the picture. Okay, first flowers formed. Then this flower wither and change into fruits. The fruit have seed inside them. The seed grown into new plant. Okay children, is it clear? So the first flower changes to fruit. Then fruit changes to seed. Then seed changes to new plant. Is it clear? First, flowers form. Flowers changes to fruit. Fruit have seed inside them and the seed grown into a new plant. Some plants have only one seed or some plants have many seeds. Can you say the example of a plant having only one seed? Yes, mango. What about a plant have many seeds? Can you say? Yes, exactly. Watermelon. Watermelon have many seeds. So, the flower changes to fruit. The fruit has seed inside them and the seed changes to a seed grown into a new plant. Let us see how apples are produced from apple flowers. Can you see this beautiful apple flower? First, apple flower formed. Then bees suck the nectar. What is nectar? Yes, it is used to make honey. Then the apple flower gradually turn into apple fruit. Apple flower turn to apple fruit. The apple fruit has seed inside them. These seed grown into new apple plant. This seed grown into new apple plant. You all know most plants grown from seeds, isn't it? Yes. How it is happen? To understand that, you definitely understand the structure of the seed or what is inside it, isn't it? Yes. So, let us see the structure of the seed. Can you see this picture? This is the picture of a bean seed, kidney-shaped seed. It has three parts. The first part is a tiny hole. Can you see that? A tiny hole. This tiny hole allows water to enter into the seed. So what is the role of the tiny hole? The tiny hole allows the water to enter into the seed. Okay, this is tiny hole. The second one is scar. Isn't it? Scar. Fruits have seed inside them. The seed is attached to the fruit. The part where seed is attached to the fruit is called a scar. The part where seed is attached to the fruit is called attached or joined to the fruit is called seed. Consider this is a seed and this is a fruit. The part where seed is attached to the fruit is called part is called scar. Okay children. Then the third part is seed coat. What? Seed coat. The outer covering of the seed. The part which cover the seed. The end which cover the entire seed is called seed coat, the outer covering. The role of the seed coat is to protect the seed. The role of the seed coat is to protect the seed. So the parts are, the first one, tiny hole. Second one, scar. Third one, seed coat. First one, tiny hole. Tiny hole allows water to enter into the seed. The second one, scar. Scar is the part where seed is attached or joined with the fruit. And the third one is seed coat, the outer covering of the seed. The seed coat protect the seed. Okay. Okay. Let us see the inside picture of a seed. Look at this picture. In this picture, the seed has two parts, baby plant and a cotyledon. Baby plant and a cotyledon. First, we are going to discuss about baby plant. Baby plant. The baby plant has two parts, the baby shoot and a baby root. Baby shoot and a baby root. What is a shoot or root of a plant? We know the parts above the soil are called shoot of a plant. The parts below the soil are called root of a plant. So, the parts of a plant above the soil are called shoot and the parts below the soil are called root. In this baby plant has two parts, baby shoot and baby root. This baby shoot grown into the shoot of a plant. Clear? The baby shoot grown into the shoot of the plant means stem, leaf, etc. And this baby root grown into the root of the plant. So, the baby shoot grown into shoot of the plant and the baby root grown into root of the plant. Okay. The next part is cotyledon. The next part is cotyledon. We know plants are living thing. Where does the baby plant get food? Where does it get food from? Yes, it get food from this cotyledon. So, there is cotyledon or it is called seed leaves. Cotyledon or seed leaves. The role of the cotyledon is to provide food for this baby plant. So, the role of the cotyledon, this part is called cotyledon. The role of the cotyledon is provide food for the baby plant. Provide food for the baby plant. So, the cotyledon or seed leaves provide food for the baby plant. Okay. So, we studied about the two parts. The first one is baby plant. Second one is cotyledon. Okay, the baby plant grown into a new plant. The baby plant has two parts, baby shoot and a baby root. Cotyledon. Cotyledon, the function or role of the cotyledon is store food for the baby plant. Okay, children. Okay, let us see the cotyledon, the baby plant and the seed coat of the peanut seed. Are you ready? Can you see this peanut seed? This outer covering is called seed coat. The seed coat protects the seed. Let us see the inner side of the seed carefully. These parts are called cotyledon or seed leaves. The cotyledon store food for the baby plant. The role of cotyledon is that it stored food for the baby plant. Mango and apples are the examples of plant have two cotyledon. Mango and apple are the example of plant have two cotyledon. In between the cotyledon, we can see a small structure attached. This is baby plant. The baby plant grown into a new plant. Some seed have two cotyledon. Unlike that, some seed have just one cotyledon. Some seed have two cotyledon. Unlike that, some seed have just one cotyledon. Paddy, wheat, grass are the examples of plant have one cotyledon. So children, today we studied about the structure of the seed. A seed has many parts. The first one is tiny hole. Tiny hole allow the water to enter into the seed. The second one is scar. What is scar? The scar is the part where seed is attached with the fruit. And the third one is seed coat. Seed will cover the entire fruit. It protect the entire seed. It protect the seed. And the fourth one is baby plant. Baby plant is the small plant. The baby plant grown into a big plant. The baby plant is a small plant present inside the seed. And last one is cotyledon. The role of a cotyledon or the function of cotyledon is to store food for the baby plant. Okay children, thank you.